If you're looking to sell Google Workspace through Vendasta, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started, the most effective way to position Google Workspace to your clients, and why Vendasta makes the whole process easier than you think. Stick around till the end to get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of Vendasta, plus some bonuses to supercharge your sales. First off, what is Vendasta? Vendasta is a platform
designed to help agencies and resellers sell digital solutions like Google Workspace, SEO tools, reputation management, and much more. It's a one-stop shop for growing your business without having to build everything from scratch. The next thing you'll need to know is how easy it is to integrate Google Workspace into your offerings using Vendasta. Vendasta allows you to manage all of your client relationships, streamline billing, and offer customer support, all while providing Google Workspace as a service. This saves you a ton of time and keeps everything organized in one place. Now, how do you actually sell Google Workspace? First, focus on what your clients need. Google Workspace is a powerful suite of tools like Gmail, Docs, Drive, and Calendar, making it perfect for businesses that need seamless communication and collaboration. Whether your clients are small businesses or large enterprises, Google Workspace adds value by improving efficiency and making daily operations smoother. The fourth thing to note is that Vendasta makes it easy to bundle Google Workspace with other services like web hosting or social media management. This is where you can increase the value for your clients and make the sale even more appealing. By offering a complete package, you can cater to a wide range of client needs and increase your overall revenue. Moving on, one of the major selling points of Google Workspace is its scalability. Vendasta lets you manage multiple client accounts at once, making it super easy to grow your business. You can add new users, adjust billing, and ensure your clients always have the tools they need to succeed. Another key benefit is the support Vendasta provides. If you're new to selling Google Workspace or digital solutions in general, you'll appreciate their resources, training, and customer support. They help you get up to speed quickly and keep your clients satisfied. Now, let's talk pricing. Vendasta offers flexible pricing, meaning you can set up a pricing structure that fits your clients' budgets and your profit margins. You can also easily manage billing directly through the platform, making invoicing and payments hassle-free. To wrap things up, using Vendasta to sell Google Workspace not only simplifies the process, but also allows you to scale your business efficiently. With the added support, pricing flexibility, and the ability to bundle services, Vendasta is the perfect platform for anyone looking to sell Google Workspace with ease. And remember, if you want to try Vendasta for yourself, use the link in the description below to claim your exclusive extended free trial and bonus perks. Don't miss out on this opportunity to kickstart your Google Workspace sales. Thanks for watching.